दिस इज अ क्वेश्चन अनदर लाइक यू कैन से कि यूपीएससी का बहुत अच्छा गेम है दैट इट विल गिव अ गवर्नमेंट स्कीम, गवर्नमेंट इनिशिएटिव, एंड इट विल ट्राई टू कनेक्ट इट विद द ओवरऑल लाइक वेरी डिस्टेंट ऑब्जेक्टिव आप कह लो, नॉट ओवरऑल ऑब्जेक्टिव. गवर्नमेंट स्कीम्स सबने रटा हुआ है. I am pretty much sure that whichever coaching institute you have joined, that coaching institute must have given at least one page of content on smart cities mission. दिया होगा आपको. आपको ये पता होगा when the smart city mission was launched, what are its objectives, what are its like different dimensions, how it is getting implemented. आपने यहां तक ये भी याद किया हुआ होगा that how much funding is being provided and how many cities are included in smart cities mission. सब याद किया होगा. But question is not merely asking about smart cities mission. So what are the keywords? First keyword is how smart city in India address the issues of urban poverty and distributive justice. Question is not asking you to elaborate smart cities mission. Smart cities mission का बखान नहीं मांग रहा क्वेश्चन आपसे. Question has given you two issues, urban poverty and distributive justice, and the question is asking कि भैया बता दो ये जो दो इश्यूज हैं इनको स्मार्ट सिटीज मिशन जो है प्रोजेक्ट जो है वो उसको एड्रेस कर रहा है कि नहीं कर रहा है. Is the smart city project is resolving, is trying to solve or is aiming to resolve these two issues? This is the actual demand of the question. So the first mistake, to sum up, the first mistake students will commit, they will go on elaborating a smart cities mission. Question is not asking you to elaborate. वो मिनिस्ट्री भी लिख देंगे, कब लॉन्च हुआ ये भी लिख देंगे, कितनी सिटीज हैं ये भी लिख देंगे, how much funding is provided, that also they will write. But the question is not asking. Simple. Second is the directive. Very important. Directives hold a lot of important in UPSC question. अगर आपने डायरेक्टिव मिस कर दिया यूपीएससी के क्वेश्चंस में, गेम आपका खत्म. Directive is how. So the question is asking you to elaborate how the smart city is going to address these two issues. कैसे आप कैसे, what is the cause effect relationship, कैसे हो रहा है वो, how it is happening. That is the very basic thing that most of the aspirants have actually missed in this question. This kind of brainstorming if you do, then only you can understand the contextual demand of the question. Contextual demand समझना बहुत जरूरी है, because if you are missing the contextual demand of the question, you are certainly going to miss the train. How to structure? Second step of the art of answer writing is structuring of the answer. The structure should include first intro. In intro, you can briefly define a smart cities mission, and while defining, you can include these issues that are being faced by the urban cities or faced by urban regions of India in the 21st century. You can write a simple introduction. A smart city mission was introduced in 2005, to give a fact. Sorry, smart cities mission was introduced in this particular year, 2005 or 15, I guess. So this year, it seeks to enhance the livability of the urban regions of India, but which is particularly holds a lot of importance with respect to the issues of urban poverty and distributive justice. एक लाइन का सेंटेंस दिया, स्मार्ट सिटीज को वो डिफाइन कर दिया और इश्यूज को भी हाईलाइट कर दिया. Then you switch on to body. In the body, you need to proportionately devote spaces, words and spaces to both the parts. First part is urban poverty, second part is distributive justice. Urban poverty, you can write about urban poverty, slums, है कि नहीं? Urban poverty, slums. You can write about livelihood opportunities. Livelihood opportunities. You can write about social sector, health, sanitation. इन चीजों के बारे में आप लिख सकते हैं. That there are specific regions in the urban areas where these are the very basic issues. सबको ये चीजें नहीं मिल रही. Distributive justice means equity, accessibility. भाई साहब ये सारे issues तो हैं. हेल्थ का एक्सेस सबको नहीं है, सैनिटेशन का एक्सेस नहीं है, वेस्ट मैनेजमेंट का एक्सेस नहीं है. These are the distributive justice related issues. You need to write, you need to elaborate these, and then you need to write how a smart cities mission is going to handle these. First thing is waste management. स्मार्ट सिटीज में जो भी वेस्ट मैनेजमेंट का कॉन्सेप्ट है या जो सॉल्यूशन है, दैट इज लाइक फॉर अवेलेबल टू ऑल. यू कैन राइट अबाउट ग्रीन स्पेसेस का एक्सेस. जो भी ग्रीन स्पेसेस का एक्सेस है दैट इज ओपन टू ऑल. यू कैन राइट अबाउट पब्लिक ट्रांसपोर्टेशन. दी मोबिलिटी के को लेकर के जो भी कॉन्सेप्ट है दैट इज लाइक ओपन टू ऑल. दैट इज ऑल्सो एमिंग टू लाइक डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव जस्टिस एंड टू रिमूवल ऑफ अर्बन पॉवर्टी. IT बेस्ड, IT enabled जो भी सर्विसेज प्रोवाइड की जाएंगी दैट कैन एनहांस द लाइवलीहुड अपॉर्चुनिटी. इफ यू कैन इलेबोरेट दिस वे, then only you can meet the demand of the question with respect to these two issues that have been clearly been asked in the question. Then you can write simply a conclusion that a smart cities mission, though having a lot of potential, is facing the challenge to meet its expectation to address these two issues. Simple sa conclusion de diya and you can like end up your answer. This is something is like you need to learn. Then only you can ace this UPSC examination. Otherwise आप अपना समय बर्बाद कर रहे हैं. See you in next session.